First taste of New York in the snow.
Yay.
You ready? It's like we stepped in the set of a movie, isn't it? Snowing in New York. This is incredible. Oh. You know what? It's not as cold as yesterday either. Yesterday was a lot colder than this. But today is a lot prettier than yesterday. Emma's taking photos of everything. It's just so pretty. It is like a movie. I just can't get over it.
So cool. You can just walk around the streets all day.
Yeah, we're just walking the snow all day. It's so cool. So we're in Union Square checking out a farmer's market in the snow. We are gonna go up Broadway to Times Square and then make our way to Central Park. And I think that'll be our morning.
Yeah.
And then we'll probably catch a subway back downtown and then catch up with the others and see what everyone else is doing. Emma's first experience of Macy's. Emma, it's Times Square.
It's very cool.
How cool is it? Probably not the best time to come. They're setting up for New Year's tomorrow night / tomorrow day, but it's still pretty awesome.
Do I look silly?
No.
I can't hear anything.
Looking good. Snow is fun.
Yeah, it is.
You need to get super rugged up around here, but
Yeah, I could do with an extra layer on my feet.
yeah, new pair of socks, I reckon. We're about to go into Central Park for the first time ever. I feel it's just going to be a giant park, but I'm still excited.
But it's in snow.
Yes, it is. It's going to look very pretty.
It's an Eskimo in their natural habitat.
It's so cool, like it's proper snowing and everything. It's very snowy.
I don't want to get a wet bum. I'm gonna die, Luke. You better catch me. Not film me.
I'll catch you.
Why are we doing this?
Well done.
That That was traumatic.
New fun game. Go. Or try. So we're at the boat shed, I think it's called. Boathouse, not quite sure, in Central Park. It's on the water. We can normally hire a boat, but not today. People are walking on it. It's so pretty here, isn't it, Bob?
Yeah.
Everything you expected?
Yeah, but more freezing.
But more freezing. Oh, I'm going to slide and die. Oh, I made it all the way down. You ready? Playing in the snow was a lot of fun. We then came home, did a bit of editing, watched some TV, and now we're going shopping to Trader Joe's to get ingredients to make burritos for everyone tonight.
Shopping.
I think we got everything.
I don't know.
Free champagne.
Just the wonderful genetically modified American ingredients. They
Cooking up a storm, we are.
Da, 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 da.